showdown looms as the U.S. court orders Chicago University to release Tinubu's document to Atiku. Wow. I know that this is getting to where Tinubu may not be able to control it again. Okay. So now we are aware that Atiku filed a case against Tinubu in court to verify his certificate in the U.S. And then Tinubu went to find a way to block the U.S. Chicago State University from releasing his document or his results and certificates to Atiku in the U.S., quoting some kind of U.S. information protection law. But then, like I said earlier, this is an exceptional case because it's an investigation and it's demanded by the court. So it looks like Tinubu has failed, or his bid to block it has failed. And right now, the court in the U.S. has taken absolute control and has ordered the university to release the documents to Atiku effective immediately. It's a serious one. An imminent showdown may seem in the offing as the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, Eastern Division, has ordered the Chicago State University to release President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's document to the People's Democratic Party (PDP) presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. The Northern District Illinois court also ruled that it has jurisdiction in the case instituted by the PDP presidential candidate. The court stated Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has satisfied all statutory requirements as he is an interested person and the respondent. The CSU is a public university established and existing under the laws of Illinois, okay, with its principal campus and offices in Chicago. The court therefore affirmed that the institution can grant Atiku all necessary documents. It could be recalled that Atiku Abubakar had approached the court and asked the court to compel Chicago State University to produce critical documents relating to President Tinubu. However, in a publication made on August 7, 2023, News Band reported that Tinubu filed a motion at the court seeking to stop the university from releasing its records to Atiku Abubakar. And according to the report, Abubakar on August 2nd approached the court for the Northern District of Illinois to issue a subpoena for Chicago State University to release Tinubu's school records, citing long-standing controversies around the Nigerian president's background. The university's registrar's office had told the paper that it graduated Bola Tinubu on June 22, 1979, but did not establish when pressed on whether the student was a male or a female. Okay, much less if it is the same person now occupying Nigeria's presidency. Abubakar told the court he was seeking the document as part of the discovery to strengthen his legal challenge against the declaration of Tinubu as Nigeria's president, on March 1st, 2023, following the hotly contested February 2023 election. However, Tinubu quickly gathered his team of attorneys and asked to be added as an interested party in the suit, okay, alleging that Chicago State University might be unable to fully protect his interest as the owner of the record being sought after. So Mr. Tinubu should be allowed to join or intervene because he has a direct personal interest in record sought. So his interests are not fully represented or protected by respondent Chicago State University, and his interest will be affected if he is not permitted to join or intervene. So the Nigerian leader argued in his motion to join the suit filed on August 3 and submitted by the Chicago attorney Christopher Carmichael. Now, Chicago State University stated that its obligation is satisfied by providing notice of the application and attempt to assess the record. Chicago State's position is that it does not have an obligation to oppose the application, and therefore CSU does not adequately represent Mr. Tinubu's interest, the filing said. I was in English. The thing now is that Tinubu has the effort to go and block the school from releasing its result Atiku. That effort seems to have failed because it's under investigation and it's under law. Okay, and right now the court has ordered that, first of all, Atiku has met all the requirements of the court and of the law to request for that document, and now that subpoena has been issued, compelling Chicago State University to release that document effective immediately for examination. This is for strong, I tell you. So at the end of the day, that document will be released the way it is. We don't know the kind of showdown they're looking for, but I know that that document will be released almost immediately. Wow. And then, that's why we say, keep your hand clean, man. Anything you are doing, try and keep your hand clean, because you never can tell what will follow afterwards. Tinubu in trouble. That is what somebody is saying here at the comment. In the comment section. Someone says, see supposed friends who desperate Atiku, you will never rule Nigeria. That is your own comment. Another person say, U.S. court institutions people play by the rules. Atiku should make haste to submit the certificate. Maybe Nigeria would have another Mesoma yet again after two Buhari and Sanwo-Olu. All the APCs are having certificate scandal. That's a very interesting move from Atiku camp. Tinubu's hidden details will surely be exposed to the public. Nigerians will know more about the master of Agbado himself. Someone say Atiku dogged. Why not just ask the court to openly declare if the best in the name of Bola Ahmed Tinubu on 22nd of 1979 was a male or female student, and if two Tinubu graduated from the school on the said date. Okay. Now, wow, Atiku Abubakar is very close to preempting whatever is hidden in CSU. This man is still wasting his time and money as old as he is. How is he wasting it? We need to get to the root of the matter now. His own is Tinubu's own is too much. Okay, see how other country works. If it was Nigeria court, that case would have been dismissed. Tinubu is toying around. Interesting. What is also hiding? The man is too shady. Exactly. This most certainly will rule him out of any possible run. Your family should be ashamed and even afraid of you. How? Okay. The guy has done a lot, that's Atiku himself, to get the case going. So thank you for listening. Let's have your comment. That is what is coming from United States.